have far to fall. That's why. I have a long way to fall. He doesn't.
Yeah, fearless. He doesn't have a job to go to on Monday.
That's true.
All right, well, if you're traveling this weekend, big time troubles in the mountains. I want to show you what it looked like from Chopper 5, though. Carrie Jensen today out over Logan, Cache Valley. Aggie fans, take a look at your beautiful city there. All right, we had a little sunshine mixed in with the clouds across Cache Valley. But as Chopper 5 was heading over Hiram Reservoir, found some ice fishermen and women. And then a little bit later, Carrie says, oh, we ran into some dark clouds and even some snow showers as we moved over the Wellsville Range and down into the Wasatch Front. Those dark clouds producing some snow squalls, and we've seen some measurable snow around Bountiful and also in the south end of the Salt Lake Valley. 37 degrees right now in Salt Lake City, 30 in Vernal. That's a warm spell for Vernal, even though you've seen a little light snow here. Heavier snow has been falling from Moab over towards Hanksville. Anywhere from 2 to 5 inches of snow has fallen, even in the lower elevations. And we're seeing some snow from Beaver north along the Scipio Summit, and that's the area of concern. Now, notice these temperatures. It's 63 in St. George right now, but it's in the 30s north of the warm front. So this is the collision zone. Cold air coming down from Canada, a storm along the coast. The two are going to clash and produce some significant snowfall across central and southern Utah. This is going to get very, very close to the Wasatch Front, but it looks like the brunt of this storm is going to be from Scipio Summit south towards Cedar City. Now, the main low moves east, and the next storm comes in, and this will be here on Sunday. So it's a 1-2 punch from central to southern Utah, northern Arizona, and periods of heavy precipitation, heavy snow is expected. I want to show you what the state will look like during the day tomorrow. The heavy snow band will extend from Price and probably just north of Moab from the San Rafael Swell over towards the I-15 corridor in this zone right here. Heavy, heavy snow is expected. Notice it's very close to the Wasatch Front, but probably will miss Salt Lake City and Logan with only some light snow. Who's going to get hit the hardest? I-70, the San Rafael Swell, I-80, the Scipio Summit to Cedar City, SR-20, 143 and 14, Highway 12, US 89, SR-24, 95, Highway 610, US 50, and Highway 191. That's a mouthful. If you're traveling and you're going over the mountains, I want you to be very careful. And this does include Blanding and Monticello. Snow will fall in Cache Valley, but it will be light. Temperatures below freezing, though, means that anything that falls will stick. And light scattered snow showers Sunday morning, giving way to sunshine Monday and Tuesday. Dark clouds with a few snow showers later in the week. Cedar City. Folks, this is going to be a problem. It'll be in the upper 30s, so the snow that falls will be slushy, and that's the kind of snow that's really hard to drive in. Once you get up over the higher passes, it turns to snow-packed conditions. So be very, very cautious traveling from Cedar City to Price, I-70 over the summits. It's going to be a travel trouble problem for the weekend, both Saturday and Sunday. Then next week, a little bit warmer around Price and Castle Country. You've seen the snow in southeast Utah. The snow will mix with rain, but continue as a slushy, sloppy mess both Saturday and Sunday, probably lingering into early Monday, and then drier, nicer weather middle of the week. In the Uinta Basin, you're too far north of the main storm zone, but what snow does fall will stick. We're talking 2 to 6 inches, and then it gets cold again. You know what cold is. You're the cold spot in Utah most of the time, as temperatures will dip back into the single digits. A period of light snow, probably accumulating in Park City 1 to 3 inches, anywhere from 3 to 9 inches in the mountains, and that'll bring some travel troubles there as well. Good for the skiers, bad for the travelers. And finally, for St. George, you had a day in the mid-60s today. It'll be in the low 50s tomorrow and Sunday. Periods of rain off again, on again through the weekend. Again, we're too far north of this storm in Salt Lake City to see much snow, but we'll have a little light snow, and the trouble will be nights and mornings when the temperatures are below freezing, so a little glaze on the roads, maybe an inch or 2 in a few spots, both Saturday and Sunday. Next week, the sun returns on Tuesday.
Yeah, but again, another big southern storm.
This storm is going to shellac southern Utah. If you have to travel, you better be prepared for some real trouble.
Okay. That's a good descriptive word.
Shellac.
We've been forewarned.